Hi, this is from Source University. There's a job opening for the technology SQL database administrator for the company name OMP. The location is Mumbai. The second technology is senior consultant development with the skill AWS DBA. Company name Infogain India Private Limited. The experience need is 8+ years. The location is Haryana. The third technology is Tekosol IT solution for the company name SQL database administrator. For the experience 3 to 8 years. The location is Cochin. The fourth technology is Microsoft Azure SQL DBA. The company Stavtar. The experience there is 5+ years. Education, BE degree. Location is Bangalore, Karnataka. The next technology is Microsoft SQL Server Database Administrator for the company name Accenture. The experience need is 8 to 10 years. The education must be Bachelor's of degree. The location is Mumbai. The next technology is Azure SQL DBA development. Company name Infogain India Private Limited. The location is Bangalore. The next technology is Azure SQL Administrator for the company name RGF Professional Recruitment. The experience need is 5+ years. Education, bachelor's degree in informational technology. Location is Hyderabad. The link will be given in the video description. You can apply there directly. Please subscribe to the Source University channel for the more job ratings. Thank you.